Today I'm going to be going over how to rewire these two plugs for trailer lights on a 2015 F-250. As you can see here, the bracket and both plugs were severely damaged in the accident. In this video, I will be replacing both plugs and the bracket. All parts will be listed in the description below. Okay, let's get started. All right, so here's the back of the factory plug that got damaged in the accident and that I got to replace. And this goes behind the actual plug where you plug your trailer lights in. And so I'm going to rewire this. Now I picked this plug up online, this one here, and as you can see the wiring's different, but I'm just going to try to match the wiring up. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to cut off a decent lead here. I'm going to peel this back to this little clip and then try to get some good clean wire, and then we'll start wiring it in. And like I said, I'm just going to match the other plug just by disconnecting one wire at a time and just kind of following it around. But the plug itself is the exact same. And this is, again, the plug that goes into what your trailer hitch will be plugging into, so there's actually another plug in between. Okay, so I've got the wires ready to go here. I went ahead and used a electrical connection here on the white wire because it's so thick. I think on the rest of the wires I'm just going to go ahead and tie them together and then use a little bit of this shrink wrap to hold them together. Alright, got it all wired together now, and I'm going to go ahead and try to get some of the wire loom around it and then put our clip back on, and then we'll go ahead and get it set in place. Two bolts attaches the new bracket, and then you just plug the two plugs together. All the lights work correctly when I hooked it up to a trailer. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.